everyone! Ahojte! Today in Linguarte, we'll show you the most important prepositions in Slovak language. We'll also give you some examples on how to use them. You can find the link in the description to download the document with this lesson and practices. Let's start! Začíname! Prepositions are particles placed next to a noun. They are used to indicate different kinds of meaning related to the nouns. Slovak prepositions are classified according to the case they follow. Remember, the cases in Slovak are 6: nominative, genitive, accusative, dative, locative, and instrumental. If you want to learn the meaning of each of these cases and their forms, check out this video where we explain them in detail. Prepositions using the accusative case: ces, through, pre, for. Prepositions using the genitive case are od, from, do, into, z alebo zo, from, bez, without, u, it, podle, according to. Prepositions using the dative case: k or ku, where to, proti, against, voči, towards. Prepositions using the locative case are o, about, po, after, v alebo vo, in. Prepositions using the instrumental case are s alebo so, with, medzi, between, pred, in front of, za, behind, pod, under, nad, over. Some of the prepositions like z alebo zo, s a potom so, k a potom ku, and v a potom vo have forms adding the letter o or u. These letters are added when the following word starts with the same letter. For example, so sestrou, with the sister. The following word starts with these paired letters: v, f, s, z, k, g, z, s. The following word starts with their soft consonant. This applies for s and z, like this: s, sh, z, ž, or ž, sh. Now try to practice choosing the right preposition for the sentence. According to me, you are right. Podľa mňa máš pravdu. I have holidays with my friends. Mám dovolenku s kamarátmi. They are talking about the problems. Hovoria o problémoch. Very well done! We hope you learned a lot with this lesson. Let us know in the comments what other phrases you would like to know. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos, and don't forget to subscribe! Bye! Ciao!